Hello students, today we shall discuss as to how we can enhance our writing skills. According to Thomas S. Kane, writing is a rational and a valuable activity. When we say that writing is a rational activity, we mean that it is an exercise of mind requiring the mastery of techniques anyone can learn. Obviously, there are limits. One cannot learn to write like Shakespeare or Charles Dickens. A person cannot become a genius by simply reading a book. However, you don't have to be a genius to write clear, effective English. We create ourselves with words. Before we are business people or lawyers or doctors or engineers or teachers, we are human beings. Our growth as human beings depends on our capacity to understand and to use language. Remember, writing is a way of growing. Now, let us just talk of this writing process. In broad sense, writing process involves three steps: thinking about it, and doing it again and again as often as time will allow and patience will endure. Kindly note, the great novelist Jeffrey Archer rewrites his books at least 15 to 16 times. So, the first step, thinking, involves choosing a subject, exploring ways of developing it, and devising strategies of organization and style. The second step, doing, is basically called drafting, and the third, doing again, is nothing but revising. So, isn't this similar to coda that you all learn in your middle school? Let us see what does it say. Coda, C, collection of ideas. O stands for organizing those ideas. D for drafting, E for editing, and R stands for reviewing or revising. Remember the word skill. What does the word skill mean? The word skill means the ability to do something well. So now we have understood the process of writing. The word skill means the ability to do something exceptionally well. And in order to perfect or improve your writing skills, you understood that you have to practice consistently. Remember, Rome wasn't built in a day. So, in order to write an excellent essay, article, report, debate, or speech, you have to practice regularly, write on a regular basis. What happens when you listen to correct English? You speak flawlessly. Similarly, before attempting to write an excellent piece, one must read on a regular basis. A voracious reader will definitely be a great writer. So, the only tip to be an excellent writer is to read, and read. You must read anything that you like: newspapers, magazines, short stories, biographies, autobiographies, fiction, non-fiction, anything and everything. Many a time students ask, what should we do in order to enhance our writing skills? Believe me, it's no rocket science. All you need to do is to read regularly. Maintain a notebook, a register, or a diary. Exercise your writing muscle daily. Just like regular exercises lead to a toned body, writing regularly will improve your writing skills. For instance, if you watch a movie and you like it, or maybe dislike it, reason it out and express it in your own words in that register. You can write on any incident or maybe an event that you witnessed in your school or at home, or you can write on your pets, your family members, your elders, teachers, friends, and even on yourself. Keep this register handy. Whenever thoughts come, pen them down. Keep a proper record and compare your write-ups weekly or monthly. Remember, you will find a see difference in the quality of your write-ups. I would like to conclude by saying you learn to write better by reading. You learn to read better by writing. Reading and writing work together to improve your ability to think. So happy reading and happy writing to all of you. Thank you for watching.